Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp boil. This it's a first time. My son is saying, Daddy, Papa, let's make a shrimp boil. I said, okay, we make a shrimp boil. And we want to try today. Okay, for the ingredient what I got 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I got a kielbasa. My wife should say, go get the kielbasa, polish kielbasa. I got it. And I got over here 2 corn, orange, lemon, garlic, potato, agno, tomato, parsley, and I got a cilantro. And what do you do over here? And I got my baby. And what else? Oh, and I got over here 2 horns called punch dairy. Somebody got to punch him in my face. That's what you call this spice, punch dairy. Okay? Okay, we gotta start this outside. I got my burn over here, and I got the pot's water already, and we want to put on. Okay, the gas is on, and I want to put the pots right on this burner. Because this burner, the gas is really, it go fast. Okay, now we gotta wait for the water boil, and I want to start chop everything what I got over here on this dish. Let's start with the onion. And onion, what I do, I cut in half, and I cut another half like this on 4 pieces. And what I do, I put it back in the same dish again. I got 2 tomatoes. This is from my garden, and I cut in half. And the other one, another half, and we put it back on a dish. Now I got orange. Orange, this is called Portogalli, Portugal de Salirna. And we cut in half. Now I got the lemon. And the lemon, I cut the same thing in half. And this other one, do the same thing in half. And we put it back over here. Now I got the corn. The corn I want to cut on 3 pieces. And we do 1, 2, and 3. Put it back. And I got another one over here. Okay, and I got my baby, and I want to cut her. Put it back. Now we got the garlic, and I want to cut her in half. Hey, okay. And we put it right back over here. And now we got the kielbasa. In the kielbasa, we cut a piece. You think it's like this is good? Okay, and we got the kielbasa done.
What are you doing now?
I want to put the fan, what happened, maybe keep the mosquito a little bit out. It chew me up. The mosquito is so hungry, this vampire. This is a vampire. Look at this. Now we put the fan, and maybe he help a little bit. Okay, now the water boil, and now we put the punch dairy inside. But this is so strong. Look at that. The smell, it's why we do outside. Okay, you do inside of the house, I think you can stay inside because the smell is so strong. Oh, yeah, it is strong. You know why? Let's put a little bit more. Okay, it's enough for now. Oh, my punch dairy. He go easy. Look at nice color now. Okay, let's put the garlic and the onion first. Okay, give a good flavor. I left the skin. Okay, it's okay. I don't gotta eat the onion. Okay, garlic and onion. And look how nice dance it do inside. And I got 3 bay leaves. Lauro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we leave cook this for 5 minutes. After we put the rest one by one. Okay, now we squeeze the lemon and orange. Oh. Okay. Now the lemon. Oh, good. Okay, now we leave cook this for 5 minutes. And we put the cover and we leave it stay, like I said, 5 minutes. That's it. Okay, now I want to put the potato. Take the cover off and we put potato. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hey, you gotta go over here too. Boom. That's it. This is outside the food. Cover for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minuti. You gotta boil this. Okay, now for the potato it was 10 minutes. Now we put the kielbasa, the sausage. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Okay, kielbasa. Now this you gotta cook for 4 minutes. After we put the rest, everything. Good. Tonight I want to enjoy all my stuff I got with the shrimp and with a nice glass of wine. And look, I got a nice beautiful lights over here. Look at my bowl over here. This it's a nice one over here. And I got more lights around everything. It's so beautiful today. The weather, it's nice. And we got almost ready everything. The shrimp, boiled shrimp. Okay, now we gotta put the rest over here. Everything you gotta go. And look how beautiful look over here. Look how nice boil, everything. Okay, we start with the corn. Oh. Good. I got my oil baby. I got 3 pieces over here. One more. My fresh tomato from my garden. Yeah, I got the cilantro and the parsley. And this, a chocolate. Okay, now we give a nice turn everything. And this now you gotta cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we got the shrimp.
I'm waiting for the ice cream man to leave. Need to get this next shot. We're trying to film a cooking show. Shut up.
And now let's put the cover back. Okay, gotta cook now this the corn for 10 minutes. Okay. After I wanna eat this, I gotta decide if I want a nice birra peroni, nostra azzurro, or nice glass of wine. Red or white. I don't decide yet, but no worry about. Okay, now I wanna taste. We gotta see, so we need salt, everything. Now this, it's really strong. I never was to taste this. This is the first time. Yeah, it is strong, but you need salt. Okay, now the salt, what I do, I measure with my hand. I like a measure. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. All right, now we give a nice mix. Phew. Okay, now I want to put cold water and ice on these pots. Cause that pots over the boil, I gotta put the shrimp. But to stop the boil, I want to put cold water and ice. And we start with ice and cold water. Okay, now it's the time of the shrimp. The shrimp, you got the head. Okay, baby. Okay, we give a nice turn. All right. Now what do you do? We turn the gas off. Look, you see the shrimp? Nice. Look, it flowed everything. Look there. Okay, now we gotta stop the boil, the cook, and we put this right on the spots. I got cold water with the ice, everything, and we gotta stop the boil. Okay, water. Go ahead. Okay. Look at the shrimp. Beautiful. Okay, we give a nice turn, and now we leave it stay for 20 minutes. Okay, take all the flavor, the shrimp, together with all the stuff we put inside, with the potato, garlic, onion, lemon, orange, everything we got inside, the kielbasa. Okay, and we leave it stay in there. Okay, now it's cool off, and we want to take out. And let's put it right over here. Hey! I put it right over here. Good. Okay, now it's the time we take everything out. This can go right. Boom! And we take. Oh, look how nice it looks. We put right on this dish over here. Oh, we got a lot of stuff. This you gotta eat only me and my wife. Jeremy, you don't get nothing. Oh, look at that. Okay, now it's the time of the test. I'll take the corn. I got the shrimp, potato, kielbasa, and what else we got over here? Okay, I think I got everything. Now, let's start with the kielbasa. Cook good, look good. Nice, really juicy. Get out of here, mosquito. Now, potato. Cook good. It melts in your mouth, the potato. Really, really good. Okay, the corn. I want to eat the Italian style. Or Sarah. We was boil this, that's the way we was eat. Now the shrimp. Take the head off and look at the juice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You open up like this a little bit. You take the skin out and look at this. Really good. After that, nice birra peroni, nostro azzurro. Al saluto. Nice cold. Look at this, the bubble, the beer. It's really, really good. You know why? The kielbasa, boy. Everything is really, really good. I want to say to everybody, make this dish. It's really delicious. They eat outside, not tonight. If you make this, let me know the way I make, and you make the same thing. It's really, really good. I want to say thank you very much, everybody. Salute e cin cin. Thank you.
To make it was a lot of work or no?
It's easy. Yeah.
It's good though. Different flavor.
Look, you squeeze the tail, look. That's what you gotta do. You gotta do this,
You
this.
gotta go to Louisiana.
How's that look? Good.
I'm still peeling this shrimp. Alright, there we go. Try this.
It's easy peeling the potato. Just you cut it, you put it in the mouth.
Eat a shrimp head.